ones. I equally bought this latest key holder that a lot of kids in the block now use. They put it in key holders. Was more of a fashion, but this really caught my fancy. Just things to spice invitees we are trying to host at the ages 7 to 12. So I really focused more on them, basically. Chic, to be conscious of their appearance. So bought them lip gloss. What else again? What am I missing now? Say what? Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Say what? Girl, you know what's up. Hey guys, in my last video, I went to Eko to get party pack for my 10-year-old daughter. I'm having a birthday party in a week's time. So in order not to be stressed and confused or in a way miss some detailed preparations, I thought to myself to go to Eko a week before the party, that by next week I'll just be making my hair, resting, and doing some finishing touches to the whole effect as a caterer and as a event planner. Not fully, but we know as they go for event planning, we have a little bit of idea of how it goes. So I help my cousin and mom and my sister plan their birthdays whenever need arises. So I could say in my only two way I could plan my events. I don't have to call an event planner. We have where our cap has many feathers. Anyway guys, that being said, we're back home now. I thought I was going to show you what I bought in Lagos Island, the souvenirs. I really got pretty much good stuff. So let me show you guys, and let's see how we pack together for the D-Day. And guys, have you ever gone to Lagos Island Eko and come back home strong? I've not seen who goes to Eko and come back home early one, or come back home and say they are okay. You go tired, they don't burn you well, you'll be knackered. Right now, I'm talking to you, my feet are aching me, they're wailing, like my feet has mouth that are shouting. And anyway, but I want to just pack these gift items this night, so that I think that's already a done deal. I don't have to do so much of wala again. I don't want to. Like I said, I want to make sure that by the coming week of the birthday, I am just relaxing and just ticking my boxes of what I've been able to do so far. So good. So let's see what we bought so far in Lagos. I'm doing a party pack for bring those but then you gonna have your bad birthday girl. So I bought I have 3 different packs I'll be making, 3 different age group, because I realized that my girl is 10, but my girl will have a friend that has a sister or brother that is either older or younger. So you don't want to leave the child, the younger older child in the house. You want to just say they should come with the celebrant's age mate. That being said, I thought to carry everybody along by making 3 different sets of gifts. We have ages 1 to 6, ages 7 to 12, then ages 13 to 16. Those are the agbayas. I call them agbayas because they shouldn't be expecting any party pack amongst these ones. But anyway, when nice like that. So for the agbayas, I'll I kept some of. Anyway, I'll show you guys different categories and what we bought basically. I don't want it to be too long, like I always say. Let's try and keep it on the low. So we have sippy cups. Sippy cups that I bought about 7 dozens of sippy cups. What do we have here? Yes, I'll be making hot dog for the kids too. So this is the hot dog plates. I bought word search puzzle. As much as I want them to have fun and eat, I want them to probably have something educational in their party pack. So I bought several of these ones. I equally bought this latest key holder that a lot of kids in the block now use. I put it in key holders, but more of a fashion statement. I bought things that I feel will catch the fancy as children. I bought crayons for the ages of 1 to 6. I bought this wristwatch and this this called? The puzzle? No, not a puzzle. What they call this one? Already. Oh, I don't know, Jari. Na puzzle no ni. Leg the penis. So I bought this one. This one's are for the ages 1 to 6 category. This will be in the pack. This will be in ages 7 to 12 category. Then this one will probably be. I bought different shapes. This is the ages 1 to 6 category too. Then this one are pens for the ages 7 to 12 category. What else again? I bought other pens too for the ages 7 category. Call it, but this pen really caught my fancy. Just things to spice up, make it look pretty attractive. This is going for ages 7 to 12 too. Then of course, what else do we have? This is going for ages 7 to 12. Because like I said, now then they do party. All these 1 to 6 na mubomoya, and 13 to 16 mubomoya. But this is the main invitees we are trying to host are the ages 7 to 12. So I really focused more on them basically. So bought this one. So bought different colors. We equally have the red one, and we have I think there's pink somewhere. Yes. And this is the pink. What else did I buy? I bought, yes, for the CCA code ages 7 to 12. I bought them lip glosses. They'll soon be going to their teenager years, so I'm just trying to encourage them to be chic, to be conscious of their appearance. So bought them lip gloss. What else again? What am I missing out? Okay, we have here spoons and forks for their lunch bag to school. These are for the ages 1 to 6 babies. Put their cereal in there for ages 1 to 6 babies. What else? This is for ages 1 to 6. This is basically just for the 1 to 2 years old babies. What else again do we have there? Okay, bring this one closer here. We bought these are for the, so guys, why I just thought to just give a twist in this party pack is to give the ages 13 to 16 just a sippy cup or a little sippy bottle, you know. Make sure guys want to give you something. Then we have our boxes and boxes of drink. We have our sweets. We have our sweets. We have candies. More sweets. More sweets. More sweets again. This one, my son said that it catches the fancy of the children. I've never seen it before. The latest one, Chupa Chups. They call it, what they call it one? Sour baby? Sour belt. Sour belt and yeah, and so sour belt. I don't know what this one is. I shall bought it. What else have we buying again? We have more sweets. Biscuits in coffee. We have chick choco biscuits. I thought I bought wafers.
Yeah, you did.
So guys, this is pretty much what I've been able to get so far, so good. So when I'll try and just put them into their bags and let's see how it comes out pretty well. I'm trying to make about 80 bags here. We were expecting 70 guests, so 10 will just be for all those mubomoyas, you know, never can see. When you invite a Nigerian person, they bring you extra body. Anyway, we're prepared. Just 24 of these small ones. So these are take these ones to that side. These ones. Okay.
You leave glasses, right, son?
What's going to happen is that, bring this kind of fork out. Wait there. And then that's 3 spoons. The spoon I'm missing there. Small size. Yeah, the main one. No, this is the big one. That big one. Okay, it's complete. It's fit together. That's number 4. Okay, so this is not complete. This is good. You see plenty now. Add to it. Come on, from here. What do you want to know? Add to it. Get confused. Where is one coming from? The remaining one?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video, do so to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on my birthday day. Bye.